even if the sky is falling down.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today I'm gonna make video workout again. It's a simple workout and easy for beginner. Let's check it out. The first exercise is outer leg lift plus circle, and you can chant after 15 minutes. 3, 2, 1, go! The second exercise is pallet lift. 3, 2, 1, go!
We found love in separate ways. Heartbreak is a wonderful price to pay. We came so far.
And then bottom leg lift. 3, 2, 1, go!
Us won't marry us, but one day we can be together. And this moment could last forever. I say that you and I have found a piece of heaven. So
We're doing the same exercise on the other side. 3, 2, 1, go! And it's still same with the before. 3, 2, 1, go! It's also same with the before. 3, 2, 1, go! And next is glute bridge hold. 3, 2, 1, go! For this exercise, lie on your back knees, bend, lift your hips up, and just hold it there. next is donkey poses. 3, 2, 1, go.
You are my weakness.
Now you switch on the other side.
I blocked your number.
3, 2, 1, go.
I know you've got bad intentions. Oh, it feels so good to have attention. Yeah, no one has to know. No one has to know you're my guilty pleasure. Keep it on the low. Keep it on the low. You're my guilty pleasure.
And the next is squat and step to the front and lunge. 3, 2, 1, go. Now try to kick side to side. 3, 2, 1, go.
You're the seduction. I finally reached a point. I'm the dysfunction. Just trying to feel.
Kick as high as you can. And you're gonna feel your thigh getting burned.
Oh, it feels so good to have attention. Yeah.
And then side to side squat.
You're my guilty pleasure.
3, 2, 1, go.
Keep it on the low. You're my guilty pleasure. I'm not on my best behavior, but I stay here anyway. Oh, no one has to know. No one has to know. You're my guilty pleasure.
I don't know what's the name this exercise, but maybe reverse lung pose and raise your knee. Go.
Monochrome is all I've known. Faded black, shades of white and gray. Until you colored my day.
Then it's kind of funny sumo squat pose. 3, 2, 1, go.
And I'm left with broken bones. But I wanna see the skies again. The sunlight in your eyes. I wanna feel the way I feel before the compromise.
I know it's pain, but keep it up. We can see the result.
Stay with your glow instead of seeing shadows.
The last is the sumo squat hold. And we will finish the exercise. 3, 2, 1, go. also feel the same. Keep it up, we're almost done. Finally, we finished the exercise. Remember, just do it cooling down. Move after you do the exercise to make your body not injured. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my video, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.
I'm in the crop, higher